Are you stuck at the update your Apple Watch screen? This usually happens due to network problems, low battery, or software glitches during the update process. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to solve the stuck at update problem on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you're connected to your internet network like Wi-Fi or mobile data. You have a stable internet connection. Turn on and then turn off airplane mode. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check storage. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit, tap on General, check available space. If needed, delete some apps or media. Solution 2. Force restart Apple Watch. Press and hold both the side button and the digital crown button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Now hold off and wait to restart. After restarting, try to update your Apple Watch again. Hope you're stuck at the update your Apple Watch issue is solved. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.